Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm JP from Pinoy Homemade. We are going to make Maja Blanca. Let's get started. Here are the ingredients. 1 cup cornstarch, 2 cups of water, 1 cup light brown sugar, 1 can condensed milk, 1 can evaporated milk, 2 cans of coconut milk, and 1 cup sweet corn. Okay, let's get started. First, combine 1 cup cornstarch and water. Mix until the cornstarch is diluted. Then, set aside. In a non-stick pan, pour coconut milk, evaporated milk, condensed milk, light brown sugar, and sweet corn. Keep mixing and bring to a boil. Next, pour cornstarch mixture in a pan and stir thoroughly. Keep stirring until thickened. Cook for about 3 to 4 minutes before you turn off the heat. Pour everything in a casserole or aluminum tray. Flatten the top using a spatula. Let it cool for at least 30 minutes to 1 hour before garnishing with Latik. Distribute Latik evenly. This dessert is best served when cold. Maja Blanca is ready. Enjoy! If you enjoyed this edition of Pinoy Homemade, please like, comment, and subscribe. And remember, it is your kitchen and you are in control. Thank you for watching. Till next time.